If you want to close your Zelle account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure to back up any important information before proceeding. Step 1. Access your banking app. Log into the mobile banking app or website of the financial institution where you set up your Zelle account. Zelle is typically integrated within your bank's app. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle settings. Once logged in, locate the Zelle section within the app. This is usually found in the menu or settings area. Look for options related to your Zelle account. Step 3. Select account closure option. In the Zelle settings, find the option to close or deactivate your Zelle account. This may be labeled as remove Zelle or close Zelle account. Step 4. Confirm your decision. After selecting the closure option, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Read any warnings or information provided and confirm that you want to proceed with closing your account. Step 5. Check for confirmation. Once you have confirmed the closure, check for a confirmation message or email indicating that your Zelle account has been successfully closed. Make sure to keep this confirmation for your records. Closing your Zelle account is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your bank's customer service for assistance.